Hello, my name is Nader Wagi. I am a 37-student. My ID is 6772. And I will talk today about our embedded systems project. We have taken the smart classroom project. Um, First, I would like to introduce the class mode. I will talk about the IR sensors for each seat, and each sensor connected with an LED to be lightened when the sensor detects someone sitting on the seat. So as you see here, we have three seats or three sensors. Each seat has a sensor, IR sensor, that's connected to it. It takes an input and gives the output to the Arduino to set the LEDs on. So if we see here, there's one sensor, second one, and the third one, two of them, and the three of them are lightened when the three seats are full with students. First each sensor is connected to an Arduino pin. First sensor is connected to pin 0, and the second sensor is connected to pin 1, and the third is connected to pin 2. Each sensor has three pins: the ground and the VCC, and the output, which gives the Arduino the output signal of the sensor. And then the three LEDs are connected to pins 3 and 4 and 5, and takes from them their input to be lightened whenever there is a signal from any sensor of them. Each LED is connected with a 220 ohm resistor, so that it will not burn. And that's what's concerned with the IR sensors and their connection and the logic of their code with LEDs. And then we are going to talk about the connection of the LCD and its code, and the one responsible for it is my colleague Abram, and he will talk with you about this part.
Hi, my name is Abram. My ID is 37-19502. I will talk about the LCD and its connection. Here we have an LCD 16 by 2. It's 2 lines and 16. Each line is 16 bit. Have the connection. We have the VCC and the ground. We have two anode and cathode. We have the write and enable. It's here. We don't use the 8-bit the 8-bit mode, so we don't use from D0 to D3. It's liquid crystal library in Arduino to handle it. So we only use from D4 to D8 4-bit. And the liquid crystal library, it send that 8-bit each character 2 separate times. We'll test here in the class mode. We have class mode, then free seats each time read from our sensor. It change. Now if we switch to the exam mode, it will have switch it. Then if you enter the time, it's 0. So here we have the remaining time.
Hello, my name is Johanna Adil, Z7-14779. In this project, I am responsible for the keypad. For the keypad, we are using the library keypad.h in the Arduino code. If you have a closer look, the keypad has 8 pins, one for each row and one for each column. We don't use these columns, so we have 4 pins for the 4 rows and 3 pins for the 3 columns. The keypad is programmed to have a 2D array having each character in the keypad. Whenever we press a button, the output from the keypad connected to the input of the Arduino selects this character from the 2D array. We use the keypad in the exam mode to enter the exam duration for the exam. So we have programmed the keypad to take a 3-digit input for the duration. So when we switch to exam mode, we can enter exam duration for about 10 seconds. So we enter 0, 1, 0. Whenever we enter, the exam starts its timer, and we are switched back to the class mode. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bishoy Rafat Wahib. I'm a 37-engineering student. My ID is 15522. Concerning our embedded project, semester 7, our project is called Smart Classroom. My part is that I switch it from the class mode to the exam mode. In the exam mode, to switch to the exam mode, first of all, I have to click on the keypad on the hashtag button. Once I click on the hashtag button, this means I go to the exam mode. The LEDs will be all turned on, assuming that all students are attending the exam. Then I start to put my time, assuming the time in this example will be 10 seconds. The buzzer will ring one time first for a short time, maybe just only 1 second. The buzzer also is connected to the Arduino to pin 14. Okay. After the exam time is finished, the buzzer will ring one more time, but for a longer time. Okay. Here we have to know that we didn't use the resistance because the LEDs here will be turned on the whole exam. Okay, while the buzzer just will be turned on 2 times. So we did not use the resistance as we don't need it. Okay. Something that I forget, which is why once I clicked the hashtag button, the flag mode in the code will be turned on. This means it will be on the exam mode. Okay, let us practice. Now I'm in the class mode. This is the class mode. This means I am in the exam mode. I will set my time, as I said, 10 seconds. The buzzer will ring. The time will be decremented using the Arduino. This means the exam time is finished. Thank you so much.
انا عايز استفندي.
طب سؤال، هو انا دوت لو لقيت اجابات اخد كوبي بيست ولا لازم اكتب انا اهربد؟